people. It can lead to success, it can lead to helping each other also. So in line with my advocacy, which is about mental health, I firmly believe that advocating for mental health can able to establish rapport with the people, not just in our community, but also for the whole country. And in line with the true identity within myself or being true to myself, I firmly believe that I can also relate to each other where they can able to express how they feel, especially now that children experiencing like bullying like that. Then I want them to know that being true to themselves can uplift what they feel, can uplift their emotions, and can able to foster positivity also, not just for themselves but also for our community. Thank you.
Palad. Again, good luck, ladies, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Marvel Andapo. Now, from the Sindahan News Online, Ms. Angelica Magaliano.
Good evening, beautiful ladies. Congratulations for making it to the top 20. My first question goes to Binibini number 9. Hi, you are so beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my question is just all about the prizes. This year's Binibini Silangan offers a significant prize.